And every day there's a couple of less guys showing up for practice. By the end of the first year, I'm the only one left from that group. I couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe they're quitting on their dream. And they all had great reasons, right? They call them reasons. I thought they were more like excuses, but it's too expensive. It's too far away. I miss my family. I don't like the luge. Well, I didn't like the luge either. I was killing myself. First 2 years, I was crashing 4 out of 5 times. 4 out of 5. But I kept at it. And after a while, I was crashing 3 out of 5. That was a great day. By the end of the second year, I'm crashing 1 out of 100. I finally figured out how to drive that darn sled. And now I have to start competing internationally to try to be one of the top 50 that will go to the Olympics. And I started competing, and I made it to the Olympics 4 times by the skin of my teeth, okay? You're not looking at the medalist, you're looking at the guy that got to play with the big boys. I want to leave you with this thought. If somebody like me can make it to the Olympics, even 1 time, imagine what you can do. Imagine what you can do. We all have greatness within us, and we can pull it out. And so I'm going to show you how to unlock life-changing achievements in sales through building tenacity in your team. Your sales journey is an inner game of success.